Humans have always sought ways to avoid death. Thanks to breakthroughs in medicine and technology, we may live up to 20% longer over the next century. But what if you could live forever? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the incredible advancements in medicine and technology that could redefine our understanding of life and death. Today, we are going to discuss 3 ways one can avoid death and become immortal in future. You won't believe that the 3rd one is even possible. Also, you might be wondering that all of these are future possibilities. What about now? What if we die before this theory becomes reality? We have a solution for that also.
Did not see that coming.
Just watch this video till end. The truth is, you're going to die, we all are. That's because, unlike whooping cough or strep throat, death has no cure. But thanks to the latest medical breakthroughs, we're closer than ever to finding one. In fact, some experts predict that we'll be able to live up to 20% longer over the next 100 years. That means children today might live until they're 145 years. Here are the future possibilities to avoid death in future. One certainty remains: time will kill us all. However, science is working on ways to halt this inevitability. Researchers have identified the genetic switch responsible for aging. A study in worms showed that turning this genetic switch off improves their ability to handle aging. While we haven't found the key to immortality yet, this discovery suggests that people will at least live longer, more productive lives. Yet even if we can stop aging, what about the cells in our bodies that have already stopped dividing? Scientists are developing human organs using 3D printers loaded with living cells. This could one day make organ donation obsolete, allowing humans to replace old and damaged body parts with healthy ones. In 2013, scientists 3D printed the first living kidney, and by 2018, they were printing human corneas from stem cells. Theoretically, you could order a healthy body whenever you need it. Perhaps you'd prefer to live in a virtual world instead. Projects like the 2045 initiative aim to create extraordinary human bodies that could last forever. Researchers are working on uploading human minds into supercomputers. In this scenario, you would exist as part of the cloud, living on as a computer program forever. You'd interact with the physical world through a digital or holographic avatar. This may sound like science fiction, but some scientists believe that by 2045, they will create artificial bodies and brains capable of hosting human consciousness. Surviving until this technology becomes available is the tricky part. But the solution?
You ready for this?
Let's find out.
Lifestyle choices. A Harvard University study based on 34 years of data identified 5 key lifestyle factors that can add over a decade to your life. Of all these factors, quitting smoking is the most impactful. Smoking is linked to severe health problems, including lung cancer, heart attacks, strokes, and mouth and throat cancers, making it a significant threat to longevity. Exercise is another crucial factor. Aerobic activities like running get your blood pumping and your heart working. A recent study found that a 1-hour run can add 7 hours to your life. Diet is equally important. Poor diets account for 1 in every 5 deaths. The healthiest people eat clean and light, focusing on fruits, vegetables, tree nuts, healthy oils, and fish, while reducing red meat consumption and using whole grain carbs and olive oil for cooking. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes easier with proper diet and exercise, which can add years to your life. According to a Harvard study, the healthiest people maintain a body mass index, BMI, of less than 25. Also, new drugs like rapamycin can increase the lifespan of mice by up to 30%, and experts predict similar effects in humans, potentially adding 15 years to our lifespan. Ultimately, the question remains, do you really want to live forever? Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also tell me in the comments, which topic would you want me cover next? I'll surely come back with another stunning insight. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring.